Students, let us see the next part of this lesson. When iron or copper is made smooth with a file, we get particles of iron and copper. All substances like, as I told you earlier, pencil, chalk, paper, wood, wheat grains, iron, copper, coal are all made up of fine, means very small particles. See what is given next in this lesson. The small particles of various substances that we see are themselves made up of many tinier particles. We see small dust particle, but they themselves are made up of very tiny small particles. And these tiny particles are so small they are not visible to our eyes. That means आपण उघड्या डोळ्यातून पाहू शकत नाही. We cannot see with our naked eyes. Lakhs of particles of any substance must come together to form a particle that can be visible to us. Use your brain power. What are the small particles that... What are the small particles that can be seen in a beam of light that enters a dark room? If you close the room and if you open the window and through the beam, the small particles that come, that means each and every substance is made up of very tiny particle. Do you know the theory that all substances are made of minute means small particles was proposed long ago by Kanad Maharshi. He was an Indian. Kanad Maharshi was born in 6th century BC, means before Christ, at Prabhas Kshetra near Sorati Somanath in Gujarat. His given name was Uluk. He proposed that all things in the world can be classified into 7 categories. He proposed that all things in the world can be classified into 7 categories. He was also first to suggest that every object in the universe means Vishwa, the whole world, is made up of minute particle, and he named that tiny particle as Pilav. It is in Sanskrit, it is Sanskrit word Pilav. So, we are Indians, and before the modern science discovering these things, our Indians are great people and they discovered in the ancient time itself. That's given in this part.